Hello, my name is Christina, and as I promised in my previous video, I'm going to make a tutorial on how to make mega big hoop earrings. And these, my friends, they're for brave women only. And if you stay till the end, I will wear them for you so that you will see how big they are. Let's start. So, this is what we're going to use for our mega big earrings. This is memory wire for necklaces. And the first thing we're going to do is to cut the wire. And you have to cut it maybe like 1 centimeter longer. That it overlaps a bit, like this. There we go. See? It's overlapping a bit. Now we're going to make the first loop, and I'm going to make the loop sideways because I like to make a special kind of closure that I do when I make hoop earrings. Close it a bit better. Like that. And I've chosen to do with filigree beads because this is such a large earring. So lightweight beads is probably a must, or your ears will hang down to your shoulders in a while. And I decided to put some small beads in between. So I'm going to string all the beads. It's gonna take a while. Now I've strung up all the beads, and now we're going to make the closure. And it's like I said, you have to do the loop sideways, and you'll understand why in a minute. Have to close it a bit better. Like that. There you go. Now we're going to put the jump ring and the hook on. And you have to do it a little bit backwards. So you have to put it on that way, or else your ear hook will be on the downside of it. Like that. Then we need the ear hook. Put it on. Now we close it. Like that. There you go. extremely big hoop earrings. That is what you got. So this is what they look like. They're very big. Nothing that I would ever wear, but I know that there are some people who actually like them, so that's why I made them. And if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Please hit that little notification bell, then you get notified when I release the next video. And thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye!